Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G60S. In this video I'll show you how to send messages via Google Assistant. On this smartphone it's very simple process. And it's because this phone has this special button right here. And it's assigned to Google Assistant. Simply press it and say what you want to do. For example, send a message to Lily.
Sure. What's the message?
Hello, how are you?
Sending your message saying hello. How are you? By the way, you can also try saying, read my messages.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.